What's up guys, it's Matt back with some quick tech news. So the Oppo Reno will be coming out April 10th. So we do have a full leak hands-on of the device, and there are no notches, no holes. That means the camera will be an elevating mechanism, which is pretty cool. It was kind of a surprise. This is the blue version, which looks pretty nice. This phone is going to have a 5G Snapdragon 855 processor. It's also going to have the 48 megapixel camera with dual aperture, and it's also going to have the 50-watt charging and up to 12 gigabytes of RAM, and it's supposed to even have a Lamborghini edition. It will have an AMOLED display with a built-in fingerprint scanner in the display, so it's going to be a pretty beast of a phone. So far it's looking really good. So what do you guys think? Let me know. This is going to have that 10x zoom that's really hyped up, so I'm very excited to see that. And that'll be it guys. Be sure to subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next one.